Hey there everybody, welcome to Jackpine Savage Outdoors. We decided to take a trip outside the bays and head into the big water of Lake Michigan. Outside of Frankfort, Michigan, we heard that mixed bags were being caught of lake trout, Chinook, even the summer run Steelhead were coming in. We decided to just take our crack at it. About 80 to 160 foot of water is kind of what we were targeting. And we had a whole bunch of new gear that we were going to try out. We had some wire divers that we were trying out. We're going to give meat rigs a whirl. We've never used meat rigs before. And we had some new Okuma convector reels that we're using and the Okuma cold water wire diver reels. So we're kind of just going out there and experimenting and see what we can get into. Generally speaking, the Chinook start to show up this time of year and then run all the way through September into spawn. So we're kind of maybe a bit early, but we'll get into them. And then there's, of course, summer run Steelhead, and coho salmon can be caught. And then there's always lake trout to be had in Lake Michigan. So stick around and see.
Welcome back. Another Jackpine Savage adventure. This morning, me and Zeb, we're taking off out of Frankfort, Michigan. Hopefully get on some silverfish today. Combination of the fog and the Canadian wildfires has made visibility laughable on Lake Michigan.
Now we know there's no fishermen out there.
Yeah, right? So if you're thinking about coming to northwestern Michigan on vacation, you probably just don't.
No, stay in Chicago.
Right. I think LA smog is actually better than this right now.
So they said that last week. They said, when was it? It's like Monday or something, that Chicago's air quality was the worst in the world.
Really?
Yeah.
Because it was Chicago plus Canadian wildfire.
Right.
So they surpassed like Hong Kong and Mexico City for a minute.
Mexico City and shit like that.
Wow.
So we got out to the spot south of Frankfort known as the Herring Hole, and we started setting up gear, and it was a really surreal feeling around us with all the smoke and fog, and we were setting up cameras and water was condensing on them. I was having a hard time with GoPros. Even our glasses were fogging up. The condensation was so much we could hardly see 50 feet in either direction. But we kind of just set up our gear and wandered into the mist, hoping that something would bite. Man, I got chilly. Oh. Yeah, we did.
Look at him go. That's a nice fish. Nice. Justify that purchase, Sub. Over the top. You get it? I'll get it. There you go. Boy, I don't know if it's there. Got long bud. There. Oh man, to do that. I'll leave with it. Yeah. They do be coming off sometimes.
I kind of felt it when I was with it over that. It's almost like those have to go lower,
Or the long ones need to be higher.
Yeah, right.
Like you were like literally
Just like
exactly. Yeah. Nice. It's just your fate to never get a steelhead.
Yeah, right.
No offense.
I caught it.
I don't know. Yeah, maybe. As far as getting bit, switching that. Absolutely fishing 25. I'm gonna cut this herring down shorter. Wonder if that's what's happening, is they're missing the hook. Yeah, that angry eye is just doing it for me right now. Well, the lighting conditions completely 180'd in the last 15 minutes. One thing I do know about Dreamweavers, they come in the package set up the way you're supposed to run them. So when you take them out of the pack, they have a barrel swivel on the back already hooked on, and they have a crane swivel hooked on the front already on.
Makes sense.
And they want you to use the higher quality swivel on the front than on the back for the fly.
It's kind of the most important part of the boat.
Yeah. Yeah. Angry Dragon's gonna get bit, dude. I'm feeling it right now. I'm feeling it. I'll keep going getting that prop off. That is gonna get pounded. Annihilation. You gotta be really careful when you do that. The wire will not stretch one bit. You'll pop your dipsy if you just slam it shut and your drag isn't loose enough. That's something you gotta be careful with. And then the skidder, so it's just kind of trucking its way down there on its own. Lay it right down. I gotta give a shout out to these Big John rails though. It just makes handling your dipsy divers so nice. Alright, so I've just been letting this wire diver crank its way out on its own. See the dive curve is like roughly 2 to 1. So I'm going to try and stop it at 180-ish. Should be about 90 down. You're tightening it back down. You don't want to pop your dipsy because then you got to start over. So you just want to ease it back till it's nice and loaded like that. See a nice tight curve on the rod? That is loaded to go right off. Zub's got one on this 5-color. It's been a 5-color day.
He's jumping too. He's set. Gotta keep him on the outside line.
Alright, get in that. Where's he going?
Right to my right.
Oh yeah, you go hard left. Oh dude, it's a nice steelhead. It's a huge steelhead! It's a massive steelhead! Yeah. Woo! Woo! There you go, Zeb. There's your steelhead, bucko. That's a really nice steelhead. Go on, you get. Go on, get out of there. Look at that dude. Zeb's probably got close to a 28 to 30 inch. Just dying chrome steelhead, man. Nice mature one. Just a beaut. Look at that fish. Right there, folks. Nice one, buddy.
Yup. I'm gonna make my turn.
I don't know, that spoon should be on the surface by now, Zeb.
Oh yeah?
Yeah?
Oh yeah?
Oh.
Oh yeah? Weird. How are we not feeling it? Huh? Pop that board. Yeah, I mean, maybe that's what it boils down to, I guess, right? Nice fish, dude.
I told you I got the steelhead in me.
Right.
Still beating hearts out of them. Knee deep in the river. Same spoon today.
Right.
Tooth marks on it now. Nice. And that's got schmelz.
Oh, all right. Huh.
On the Smeat rig. How you like them $17 herring strips now, Zeb?
Yeah, right.
Right.
REI.
Oh, God. That's a double, buddy.
Oh, look at him out there.
Oh,
you see him out there?
He might be in that diver.
Yeah.
Yeah, get him over here. Hard this way. Get him over here.
Yep.
Isn't bad. He's the double.
I feel like I'm fighting mine, though.
I'm fighting a different fish. Oh, no. Yeah.
Well, this is interesting.
It's really interesting. Oh my God. Oh my God. Get him in here, bud. Just burn him in, winch him in. Or we're gonna have a sitch. Tighten that drag down a couple clicks. I'm trying to keep mine as far this way as I can. But yours is going over there too, so you're going to want to keep your rod tip as far that way as you can. I do. He's about tired out, it looks like. Yeah, ski him in, he's tired out. Mine's not. I'm trying to keep him close to the boat and over here. My fish is only like 50 feet. Get him up here, bud. Now I'm going under you now. We gotta switch. There you go. Loosen it. That's coming up to the surface. Oh, he's pissed. Oh my God. Alright. Don't get in the high line. Watch it.
Oh, I see it. Actually, I think he's pulling away now. Oh, he's off! No, wait. He's off.
Get it out of there. Get it out of there. I still have a fish, bud. Burn. Just crank it in. He's still on it? I see mine on the surface back there. Nice. He ran at the boat? You know what? What? You're just gonna have to hang out for a minute, buddy. He came out of the high line, yeah, he came out of the. Don't let him get in the rigger now, dude. Reel down, back up. Oh, he's in the rigger. He's going up there. You gotta lift harder. You gotta reel all the way down. You gotta back up, dude. Back up. Yes!
Nice fish.
Yes, fish!
Get the boat.
Look, get back in the boat!
Okay.
Woo! It's salmon fishing, baby! 20 pounder! Shit show salmon fishing! Spoon fish, diver fish, meat fish, trifecta. You okay? You getting it? Okay. Whatever you gotta do, I need the net 5 minutes ago. You need pliers to cut it with? Okay. You're not quite here yet. Oh, he saw the ball. He might be okay. Put his ass up here though. This is the hand line too.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. So you gotta wrap in the meat rig stitch now.
There's a fish behind you. He wants to kill you.
He's wrapped. See him?
You run the tripod?
Ah! Ah! Look at him! Look at him! Oh, he's still top water right there. Damn it! What happened? He just popped. Vegan rig. One king in the boat. Big male. Big sexy.
What'd you see?
In general, it was a pretty good start to the 2023 big water season for us. We had a pretty mixed bag of fish come in, some highs and lows, lost fish, caught fish. It's always a roller coaster ride. Dallas did hook into a nice lake trout that actually qualifies to be a master angler lake trout. It's a really nice one. The biggest king that we caught on the trip was about 21 and a half pounds or something like that. We had some really nice summer run steelhead in there, a gorgeous turquoise fish. So we were really happy with what we caught. We're always trying to learn and dial in what we're trying to do in a program on a boat like this. So if any of you guys have any comments, leave them below on how we can do it better. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell. Again, always thanks for stopping by Jackpine Savage Outdoors.